point blank. Investing with Rob. Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, fellow investors? Man, I can tell you, if you're investing in the AI sector right now, you're probably making a lot of money. And if you're not invested into the AI sector, I just have one question. Why not? And I know the answer. A lot of people really don't know. How do I get into it, Rod? How do I invest in the AI? And that's why I created this channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to get into the AI sector without having to keep up with a bunch of different stocks. And we're going to do it with just one single exchange traded fund or ETF. And we're going to actually take 33 stocks and put them under one umbrella or one ETF. And you're going to be good to go. And in that ETF is the Invesco PHLX Semiconductor ETF, ticker symbol SOXQ. That's S is in Sam, O is in Oscar, X is in X-ray, Q as in Quebec. And man, I can't wait because I'm telling you, I found this and it's a lot cheaper than some of the ones like SMH or SOXX. This one is actually right around $100 and I can't wait to get into it. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod, everyone. On this channel, we talk about stocks. We talk about exchange traded funds or ETFs. We talk about crypto, but more importantly, I show you my journey on how I take small amounts of money and invest for my financial future. If that's something you're interested in, do your boy a favor. Subscribe to the channel. It's free, baby. It doesn't cost a thing. Hit the thumbs up. It helps the video get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. And also share the information, share the video, share the channel out. Tell a friend, tell a coworker, tell a family member. Let's get this information out so everyone can start building for their financial future. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right. Let me go over here to my wonderful Robinhood app. And as we can see, I've already got it pulled up. Notice I highlighted because Robinhood got a whole bunch of extra words up here. We know it's an exchange traded fund. I already told you that. So Invesco PHLX Semiconductor ETF, ticker symbol SOXQ is right here. Going forward, I'm only going to say SOXQ or the Invesco Semiconductor ETF. It is currently traded at $105.77. If you look at SMH, or the Van Eck Semiconductor ETF, it's currently over $600. And I want my viewers to feel like, hey, this is possible. When I see 600, I just get afraid, Rob. When I see $600, I'm like, whoa, that's a lot of money. But the cool thing about Robinhood, whether it's a $600 ETF or a $100 ETF, is we can invest. And this is an entire pie. We can buy fractional shares or get us a slice of the pie. You only have $2, $5, $10. You're in the right place because your boy is going to show you how to do it. Now, $105.77. It is currently down 6.24% today. The market is closed. But if you've been watching my videos, when it's red in the street, it's time for Rod to eat. So I made a purchase earlier because I thought I was going to do this video earlier. And then I ran out of time before the 3 o'clock deadline, 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. So I went ahead and made the purchase. Didn't buy it here. I bought it in Fidelity. But I'm going to show you what this ETF has been doing and then how it's doing now. Now, what it's been doing is past tense. That's what it done last year, year to date, last 3 months. But we want to see what has it actually done in this portfolio that I'm showing y'all today. So it's down 6.24% today. I don't do the last week, month, and 3. I'll do 3 months. I don't like to do the last week and month because I buy stuff for the long haul, baby. I'm not here. I'm not a short term. I'm not a trader. But look at this, the last 3 months, man. Hey, I rarely miss. When I talk about a stock, now I'm going to talk about some stocks and ETFs that won't be making money. As we can see, it lost money today, but that's one day. In the last 3 months, it's up 74.54% or up $45. Your boy been buying it, man. I've been buying it all along, but it took me a while because I already had SMH, and I'm like, what's the difference, And I'm going to go over that here in a second. Year to date, what is it doing year to date? It's up 84.94%. Year to date is from January until July 1st. Today is July 1st. As I'm recording this video, I'll probably get it posted on July 2nd. In the last year, Again, this is past performances, up 144.05%. Again, this is SOXQ, the Invesco PHLX Semiconductor ETF. Just remember, Invesco Semiconductor ETF, up 144.05% in the past year. Now, when I talk long term, I'm talking 5 years or more. And that's what I want people to watch this channel, to start thinking into the future. You know, everything, the investment game is a long game. It's not something that I don't do all this, buy something today and hope it flip tomorrow. Now, I like flipping my money like pancakes, but it's a slow cook, baby. I'm not in a hurry to cook my pancakes. All right, so look at right here. In the last 5 years, it's up 310.12%. Who that is, man, it's tripling your money. I mean, 310%. It was $79 about 26 bucks 5 years ago. And now it's up 310%. It's $105. Come on, man. Y'all seeing it because I'm showing you what it's been doing. That's why you're seeing these numbers move. But right around here, what happened here? I want to say April 4th. Man, I don't know what happened in April 4th, 2025, but I wish I had a crystal ball, because everything dealing with AI on this date, the 4th or the 5th, started moving up. And look, man, dollar cost averaging. We're not timing the market. Every time we have a couple bucks to invest in this investment and any other investment I have, I'm going to take, it could be different amounts of money, but regular intervals, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, every payday, whatever is convenient for you. And look at it, man. Look. So, I mean, that's beautiful. Anyway, enough of all that. Now, this is what's really going on. This is my YouTube account, my Robinhood account. This is what I show everybody, how we take small amounts of money. It is also mirrored. Remember, I have the same investment in Fidelity and my JP Morgan Wealth Management account. And that's why I put the larger investments into. But I'm not here to show everyone that. I want to show people how you could take $1, $2, $5, $10 and invest for your financial future. They've been fooling us. They've been making us believe we need all this money, and you don't. So we are currently up 11.8%. I'll take that all day, every day. We have 0.12 shares, and that's all fine and dandy. I don't look at the dollar amount because I know up 11%. I need to know in my larger accounts where I'm investing, or even my smaller account, as long as I'm investing, I'm up 11% on what I invested. So for every dollar I invest, I'm getting 11 cents. It's not that hard, ladies and gentlemen. It's not that hard. So what is this? It tracks a modified market cap weighted index of 30 U.S. listed semiconductor companies, 33 to be exact. Now, 33 companies is not a lot, because the lower amount of companies you have, the more exposure you have. If this is semiconductor, so if the semiconductor stocks go down, this ETF is going to go down. I guarantee you, if I look at the NVIDIAs and the AMDs, they probably went down today. That's why the entire ETF is down. How long has this been around? It's been around about 5 years. June 11, 2021, inception date is when it was created. It is 100% technology. So what is in this ETF? The top 10 holdings make up, I want y'all to see this. This is huge. It's only 33 of them. So 10 of them make up 61% of the ETF. The other 23 investments, or 23 stocks, make up 38 point something percent, 38.59%. So what do we have? We have NVIDIA, top dog in the AI space. We have Micron Technology, another top dog. Broadcom, Applied Materials. I recently did videos on Micron and Applied Materials, and not long ago I did one on NVIDIA. But recently, Micron and Applied, you can find them on the channel. Marvell, that's on the list for me to do this month in July as far as an individual video on it. Lam Research, ASM Holding. This stock has been doing its thing. I actually have that individually right now, and I don't want to make it too difficult for the viewers, but I currently have NVIDIA individually, Micron, Broadcom. I have all of these except Lam Research. Every other thing I have individual stocks. But when I don't feel like messing with that, I have an ETF that's covering it all, if that makes sense. And I also have Taiwan Semiconductor. This is a strong ETF, ladies and gentlemen. Now, let's look at some of the stuff that's going on. Assets under management. This is worth, this company, this ETF is worth $2.77 billion assets under management. It does have a 30-day yield of 0.30. It actually pays a quarterly dividend. It paid a dividend June 26th of 7 cents per share. So every $105 you have invested, you'll get a 7-cent per share dividend. I'm not really big on dividends now. And it's kind of backwards because when you're younger, you're supposed to be more aggressive. As you get up in age, you're supposed to be more conservative and think about maybe having income. I have dividend stocks, but I'm thinking about growth, man. I'm not missing out on this talking about a 7-cent dividend. Hey, give me the enchilada. I worry about the sour cream later, if you know what I'm saying, man. As y'all can see, I like to have fun in these videos, and that's pretty much it, y'all. It's not a lot to just, I want to make these short, sweet, to the point. If you have any questions, let me bring me back up on the screen. If you have any questions, please throw them down in the comments. I really want to know, have you ever heard of SOXQ or the Invesco PHLX? See how hard that is to say, Semiconductor ETF. Have you heard of all these different AI stocks? Have you been wanting to get into AI and didn't know how? Please put it down in the comments. I'm going to keep doing these videos. We're actually about to increase production on Investing with Rob because I'm getting a lot of input. People are really wanting the information, and your boy got to do his due diligence and get the people what they want. With that being said, do me a favor if you haven't done so. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. Get a video a like. Share it out. Tell a friend, tell a coworker, tell a family member. And as always, hope you have a blessed and prosperous day. And shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I guarantee you. Much love, y'all. Peace.
Point blank, investing with Rob.